Welcome back, children. So today we will do the objective questions of chapter 1, right? So first question, crops grown in winter are called. Answer is Rabi crops. Number 2, the process of introducing seeds into the soil is called sowing. Number 3, drip irrigation saves water and maintains soil fertility. Manure does not contain inorganic salts. Crop rotation helps in controlling plant disease. Herbicides are used to control weeds. The artificial rearing of fish and prawns is called pisciculture. Apiculture is the rearing of bees. Chemical fertilizers contain inorganic salts, weeds grow faster. So let me read out once, children. First is crops grown in winter are called Rabi crops. The process of introducing seeds into the soil is called sowing. Drip irrigation saves water and maintains soil fertility. Number 4, manure does not contain inorganic salts. Number 5, crop rotation helps in controlling plant disease. Number 6, herbicides are used to control weeds. Number 7, the artificial rearing of fish and prawns is called pisciculture. Number 8, apiculture is the rearing of bees. Number 9, chemical fertilizers contain inorganic salts. Number 10, weeds grow faster. So children, we have completed total 6 chapters in class 8. Now, one thing I would like to tell you all, please share the videos with your friends as much as possible. Now, as you know that lockdown has already increased, and when we will be able to have regular class is not yet decided by the government. So, after the school reopens, it is not possible to go through all these 6 chapters in detail as I am doing it now in online classes. So I would like to tell you all that please go through each and every video nicely, because it will not be possible to continue with the same chapters in detail again. Because as the school will reopen, we will have to finish the lesson plan accordingly. We have to go through the checking. I may send you the question answers. Let me see if it is possible in PDF form after some time. If the lockdown extends more and more and we are unable to reopen soon, then I must have to do something regarding the question answers. So tomorrow in the next class, I will start the 3rd chapter in physics, that is sound. We have already completed 2 chapters. First chapter was force and pressure. Second was friction. And now in our next class, I will be starting sound. Thank you.